Talking to DD News Meghalaya, Hek said that he will meet the Defence Minister Rajnat Singh, and if he is not available, he will meet the Union Minister of State for Defence or the Secretary of Defence to apprise about the issue of Lady Keane College issue, where the Shillong Cantonment Board has served a notice to the college to pay property tax. Along with the management of the college and the principal of the college, A.L. Hek will urge the Union Minister to be sympathetic towards the college, which has served the state in regards to women education.
Delhi to meet Rajnat Singh ji, the Defence Minister. If he is not there in station, then I will meet the MOS, Minister of State for Defence, or the Secretary of Defence regarding the problem facing by the Lady Keane College. With the management of the college, the principal, the director of the college, to go and plead and request the Honourable Union Minister at least to have some sympathy or some consideration.
The Jaintia Students' Union